Paano kung biglang iba na ang paraan ng pakikipagtalik niya sa'yo? Hi everyone, my name is Brightly Abby, sexologist, content creator, and your cheeky guide to pleasure positive living. Paano kung biglang iba na ang paraan ng pakikipagtalik niya sa'yo? Okay, let's get sexy and brainy. Yes, you will notice that something shifts. Kasi lovemaking is part muscle memory and part emotional rhythm. Kasi the brain wires the patterns through your basal ganglia. So kapag iba ng style, yes, mapapansin mo yun. Pero don't jump agad sa conclusion na dahil baka may iba na siya. Baka naman sabihin mo, kanina mo natutunan yan? Sinong humalik sa'yo ng ganyan? Yung ganon, be. Because sometimes, porn influences stress, curiosity, or siya mismo, baka gusto mag-explore ng bago. Novelty actually spikes dopamine. Kaya minsan mas passionate, minsan medyo mechanical. Science says, change in sexual rhythm equals the brain exploring a new script. Pero real intimacy check? Talk about it. Kasi no amount of thrusting pattern will replace the oxytocin bond na galing sa honesty and trust. So, kung iba na ang moves, don't just wonder, tanungin mo siya and make it playful. Like, babes, ano natutunan yan? Baka naman, you wanna share to me or you wanna teach me? So that way, instead of suspicion, you turn it into seduction.